What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can pause Windows 10 updates for however long you need to, and this will work on Windows 10 Home. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to our notification center in the bottom right, and then you want to go ahead and click on All Settings. Once here, it's going to take you to the settings menu, and you want to go ahead and click on Update and Security, and then here's where you can go ahead and pause your updates. So you can either pause your updates for 7 days just by a simple click of a button, or if you want to go ahead and pause them for a lot longer, you can go ahead and click on Advanced Settings, and here you can scroll down and you can pause updates for up to a month and a half. So you can see it's currently the 13th of June, and I can pause my updates till the 18th of July. You can also select how many days you want to delay the install of these updates, so you can actually delay them by 365 days, which is always a good option. So of course, if you want to continue updating Windows 10 immediately, all you need to do is go ahead and click on Resume Updates, and it's going to go ahead and start updating your PC immediately. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.